Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Halloween Dollar Tree DIY. I'm using one of the small little wood rounds from the Dollar Tree. These have words on them usually, but that's okay. You can always put that on the back. And one of the wood bead wreaths from the Dollar Tree. This one's already stained and everything, so it's kind of ready to go. I just need to decorate the sign to hang inside. I designed this great printable of a jack-o'-lantern with kind of a grinchy face. I was going for a vintage Halloween and just printed it out on white cardstock. I will share a link to this free printable with you in the comments below this video. I just used the wood round for a template so I know exactly how large to cut it out. And it's just the right size for a like 8.5 by 11 regular sheet of paper. One reason I really love crafting with cardstock instead of just paper is that it's super easy to Mod Podge. You can put it on there, rearrange it if you don't get it on there perfectly. You don't have to wait for it to dry. You can go ahead and seal the top of it. You really don't have to worry about much wrinkling or anything like that. So I really like the matte finish. I think that looks really good. I just sand off any excess paper that might be over the edges if I don't get it on there just perfectly. And what I want to do is hang this little grinchy jack-o'-lantern inside that wood bead wreath for a cute little Halloween wall hanging that looks oh so vintage. I just need to poke a hole right here through the cardstock so that I can thread some twine through and we can start putting this together. Really easy to do. I just string mine through, and then I like to use the area here where the wood bead wreath comes together, kind of just string it through there. Then I can hang it where it will hang down like centered inside the wreath form. And then I also use that to DIY a simple hanger for it. Really easy to do, and I will share that free printable for you. If you would like more fall or Halloween Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.